Are you guys ready for what my office has become? And I don't really know why. Don't judge. That's why we're doing this video. Okay, so this is what my office looks like coming on in. First thing you will notice right there, I haven't painted there yet, or there. So that's one thing that needs to be done. This is what we're dealing with. It's horrendous. Okay, I don't even know where to like tell you what's going on because it's just become this craziness. And it's become this because I've moved everything around. Some things used to be in certain spots, they're not. I've been trying to create like a new filming area. It's just become this chaos mess. So let me just give you like a little overview. I'm not even gonna waste any time. Let's get to it. I want to start off easy. I have this box, okay? Inside of this is kind of craft oriented things, not entirely. There's a bunch of other crap in it as well, but envelopes, I have some craft paper. I just want to go through this and make sure that everything in this is stuff that I'm actually going to use because, like for instance, I have a bunch of like this stuff, which I probably don't, I don't see myself using this. So like I'm thinking, okay, we can just donate a bunch of this stuff. I don't have a lid that actually fits this. This doesn't fit it. I can't find the lid for the life of me. So I'm gonna switch this and put stuff in here. I'm not gonna like throw this out or anything. If I don't use it, I will donate it. But I might be able to use it just as like a thing to hold like clothes or something in it. This is just stuff that I'm gonna get rid of. I have this desk here and essentially that is there because it used to be on that wall, but I've replaced that with that desk because that desk is so much bigger and I have so much more room to do things on. Over here I have these amazing, these are vintage theater chairs and basically they fold out and then the seats flip up and down and they're really amazing and I have to decide if I want them in here, if I want them in my bedroom. I also want to make this space over here kind of like a new little filming area. I was vlogging here in a vlog last week and I really liked it. You need something kind of in this little area, but let's try to do that as well today. I don't know how much we're gonna get done. So I think I want to show you guys these chairs. So they open like that and then these flappies fold down. So like I said, these are vintage theater seats and I just think that that's so cool because like, you know, I don't know why, like, not that I'll ever probably have it looking like this, but I just love this wall aspect of it. Yeah, these look really nice in here. I just don't know specifically where to put them. Aren't these the coolest? I got these from a vintage shop a couple cities over from where I live. This is what the room is looking like. Obviously there's a closet there so nothing can go on that side. I feel like the only real place that they could go is like right in against that wall, which I don't really like. But then maybe what if I moved the mirror over, but then the mirror, instead of reflecting a nicer area, it's gonna reflect that area, which is not as nice. So that's the only thing about moving the mirror. And then obviously there's like in front of this, I'd like to keep in front of this clear though, maybe put this in storage. Okay, so across from my desk area, I have this IKEA Alex drawer. It's just kind of storage, I guess, I don't know, but realistically, it's kind of just like full with the most random stuff. The first drawer is pretty okay. This is just a bunch of things I have, like Lush products. This bottom drawer, way down here, this is just like camera equipment, extra batteries, extra lenses, extra tripods. Sent over this guy. I guess this is 4 Little Bites. It's a lipstick set that they did for Christmas, which is so cute. I want to give this away to one of you guys for watching today's video. So, and if you guys want to win this, that's the colors there on the back. If you want to win this, just go comment on my last Instagram post. So when you click on my, after you watch this and you click on my Instagram, whatever is the latest Instagram post, comment there. I will even put it in this drawer so that I know I'm sending it to one of you. So I think I'm gonna put the tissue paper up here for my Soleil orders, so when people order from the store. Okay, so here I have this like vintage Pepsi crate that I was storing like a bunch of hair products in, but honest to God, I have never used any of these, and probably it's because I forgot they were here. Like I have these 2 IGK things that I really want to try. So we have Mistress and we have the No More Blow. I almost bought this the other day because I wanted to try it so bad, and I have it. Like, so these are gonna go in my bathroom because I want to try them for sure. And okay, we're gonna get this desk a little bit more sorted. I really have nowhere to put those boxes, which is unfortunate because they're kind of an eyesore. But the other place I have all of like the shipping supplies for Soleil is up there. Also an eyesore, but like nothing I can really do about it. I went into storage and I forgot that I had this. And when I bought this desk, I DIY'd this little thing. I took these, which are actually from IKEA, and they are handles for cabinets, and I just use that as, yeah, like little tracks. I haven't come to a full decision yet, but I'm either going to store my makeup in there and also double this as a vanity, or I'm gonna store all of the Soleil stuff, kind of like tape and markers and, you know, fragile stickers and cards. Thinking of storing that. Okay, I've made the decision that we're gonna store the tissue paper in here. So we have now all of our packing supplies, boxes, envelopes. I have smaller envelopes there, and then I have the bubble wrap. Now down here is super clear, which looks nice. So I'm gonna take this guy, and that will be where I store the paper to pack the orders. I really like this whole setup. It's very organized. So we're gonna style this eventually, but I want to show you guys like the 2 seating options I have. So the first one is this bench. It has kind of like mid-century modern legs. This is from Urban Outfitters. I don't think they sell it anymore because it's a couple years old, and I don't even recommend it because the legs have broken twice. I don't know about Urban Outfitters furniture quality. So here's what that sort of looks like. I'm not the biggest fan, actually. I thought I was really gonna like this under here, but let me see if I push it in a little bit more. Yeah, no, I don't really, not a big fan of it. Now the other 2 things that I have are this stool and this chair. So this stool I've been using, I found it's really uncomfortable to sit on in anything that other than pants, because then you get these like marks on your leg from the shape of it. It actually would be comfortable in the long run to have a real chair here. That's what the chair looks like. Looks okay. Again, not the biggest fan. I guess it's because like I have these chairs right here and another chair there, but I'm thinking that would be the most comfortable for actually working at this desk. And that's the thing, so I love home decor, but I don't love functional home decor, and I want to actually work at this desk and edit my videos here, so I'm not sitting like in bed as often. Okay, I just wanted to show you kind of the final of what I did to the closet. I ended up painting this wall white over here, and then just cleaning the desk. Everything's pretty much clean now. However, I did end up moving all of this stuff into my other spare room, just like all of the packing stuff for the store, because it was making the closet look a little bit cluttered. And then I was able to move all of the store clothing as well into that storage room too, so that I just have kind of like my actual clothes that I wear here, which is kind of nice. I put socks and underwear in there. Yeah, I think it looks so much better, much cleaner. So it still has a ways to go in this office, but it is much nicer than it was. Thank you guys for hanging out and cleaning with me today. I hope that you enjoyed this. If you guys would like to see like an office tour, definitely let me know down below. We got a lot done today, but we still have a ways to go for sure. Bye guys.